that you should have is a good vitamin B, and of course a B complex. Now the complex of water-soluble vitamins is, and always you want to take B and complex. A lot of people will try to take B1, B2, B3, B12 by themselves. No, the B vitamin was designed to work together. You've got to take a B complex, and a good B complex, and it should be B complex 100. And in this case, you can call Rob and get our vitamin C, Dr. Johnson's B complex 100, which I believe is one of the best B complexes on the market right now today. Now, responsibility, why you want to have a B complex? Chiefly for the health and maintenance of the nerves, the eyes, the digestion, and the skin, as well as the processing of carbohydrates, fats, and proteins, your appetite, your growth, your production of hormones and digestive juices, prevention of anemia, and the maintenance of your sex gland, your serotonin gland, your bone marrow, and many more complex body functions requires B complex. So everybody should have a B complex. So call Roz right now and order this whole package that we talked about. So we talked about the IMP, we talked about the Omega C. Then you must have, you've got to have the body